better to learn fast typing without looking at the keyboard with using all my fingers. The program that taught me how to do that I think was called Marvis Beacon. I don't know if it still exists, but there are a lot of useful websites that can teach you exactly the same thing. It takes time, of course, and a lot of practice. I recently discovered that apparently I was typing wrong all these years. I was using middle finger for the O key and ring finger for the P. Instead, I should have used ring finger for the O and pinky for the P. So I decided to correct this mistake, but it wasn't that easy. I had to unlearn something that I was doing for years, but after several days of practicing, my muscles remembered this new arrangement and I was able to type faster again. Everything starts with these little bumps here. You place your index fingers on F and J keys and others along with it. This is the starting position and you only have to move your fingers up and down, never leaving your starting position. I think the best website to learn fast typing is Typing Club. It's free and explains everything in details. Of course, you can buy premium membership, but to be honest, you won't need it. When you go to the website, it gives you an option: start from the beginning or take a placement test. If you already know how to type but want to improve your typing, you can choose a placement test. But if you're a beginner, you can start everything from the beginning. By the way, here you're also going to learn how to type some characters that you might never use. Although I don't know how to type fast, I'm still trying to improve. My best result was 125 WPM and I want to do faster than that. Still have trouble with numbers. I didn't bother to learn before, but now I'm trying to type without looking at them. So if you're determined and really want to learn fast typing, practice every day, maybe half an hour or more, and it is possible to see a good result in a week. As I mentioned before, I recently discovered that I was typing the wrong way, so I had to learn some things from the beginning, and it took me no more than 3 days to master the fast typing again. Thank you for watching and see you soon.